In PepsiCo, there were 3 rounds. First round was a written round. It was a psychometric test. It was online test, and in return, for this online written round, almost 30 people were selected. The selection criteria was it was 12th and 10 percentage and our CGPA. Uh, in psychometric tests, there are two kind of approaches. They just want to know whether you are comfortable in group working, or you can take any kind of initiative, or do you have any kind of leadership qualities. So for me, I feel I went through both the approaches. That is, I will go for leadership, but along with my group. That was my online written, and after that, second round was a group discussion, and my GD topic was is corruption unnecessary, evil or not. So this was the GD this was the GD, and after GD, I think 10 people were selected. 2 were from mechanical and 8 were from electricals. In interview, since we were 8 from electricals, and they said we will take 1 from mechanical and 1 from electrical. So it was really very tough competition for electricals, and when I was entering in the room, I just knew कि मेरा तो नहीं होने वाला है. I'm just going for my time pass. And मैंने जब मैं घर से आई थी, truly I didn't study even a single line. I just studied that transformer part only. And when I entered in my room, then I was feeling like कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, भयंकर बेइज्जती होने वाली है. And when I sat there, then ma'am was very nice. Only single round was there. In that one was ma'am was HR and sir was technical. Then ma'am called me and said, so Amita, you are from Bhilwara. तो मैंने बोला yes ma'am. Then she said, okay, what does it known for? No, known for so I said, sir, ma'am, it's textile city, or textile city in Rajasthan. So ma'am said, okay, yeah, we know it. So frankly speaking, when I came in this college, then everybody used to say, we don't know Bhilwara, we don't know Bhilwara. Though when ma'am said, yes, I know it and it's textile city of Bhilwara, then said, ma'am, I asked ma'am, like, ma'am, actually you know Bhilwara? So she said, yeah, it's very famous. तो आफ्टर दैट आई फेल्ट वेरी कंफर्टेबल. मुझे लगा अब ठीक है. मैं मतलब इनिशियली मतलब उन्होंने मेरे सर से लाइक कंप्लीट प्रेशर वाज गॉन एट दैट टाइम. सो उसके बाद हमने काफ़ी सारी बातें करी, नॉर्मल बातें, लाइक सर आस्क कि डू यू गेट एनी एडवांटेजेस, लाइक कि तुम्हारे यहाँ पर ही कपड़ा बनता है, सो एनी काइंड ऑफ एडवांटेजेस देयर टू यू. सो मतलब नहीं सर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट फॉर शूटिंग्स एंड सेटिंग्स. बीइंग अ गर्ल मुझे कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है उस कपड़े का. एंड after that we started like PepsiCo, they people were like they gave space to us, so ki whatever you want to speak, just speak out. So they just said ki give your intro. So firstly I just defined myself and what I am and my father, mother, brother and all. And after that ki what I've done in college till now. So it was, I think their approach like some kind of they were I think they were searching for a people, for a girl or for a student who can manage their plant. मतलब that is nothing about studies, like कि you don't need to study very much or you don't need any kind of knowledge. They just want कि उनका plant कोई संभाले. They will teach you everything when you will go in their plant. So I just knew this thing. My senior told me कि जहाँ पर भी इंटरव्यू में जाए जस्ट ये अप्रोच रखना कि उनको ये बोलना कि मैं आपका प्लान अच्छे से संभाल सकती हूँ. तो आई जस्ट फॉलोड दैट एंड आई जस्ट टोल्ड मैम कि मैम आई कैन मैनेज मैनी पीपल एंड आई कैन डू प्लान जॉब वेरी मच, मतलब वेरी ईजीली एंड दिस वेरी बहुत सारा बोला मैंने. एंड उसके बाद like फिर they asked for my summer internship trainings and I did it from nuclear power plant. And nuclear power plant, that was awesome part of my life. Nuclear in second year I did it from heavy water plant and in pre-final year I did it from nuclear power plant. So वैसे तो कुछ पढ़ा नहीं था बट हेवी वाटर प्लांट में आई लर्न वेरी 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 मच थिंग, मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ सीखी थी. उसके बाद वहाँ पर जो कुछ भी सीखा दैट आई यूज्ड इन माय इंटरव्यू. एंड बिकॉज घर से जस्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स पढ़ के आई थी तो सर आस्क्ड मी कि तुम्हारा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट क्या है. मैंने सर माय फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट इज मशीन्स. सर ने बोला ओके. मैंने सर बट आई हैवंट स्टडीड एनीथिंग टिल नाउ. तो सर बोले अच्छा. मैंने सर बट आई नो ट्रांसफॉर्मर, वॉट एवर यू कैन मतलब वॉट यू वांट टू आस्क फ्रॉम ट्रांसफॉर्मर यू कैन आस्क मी. तो सर बोले ओके. Seriously, I didn't study even transformer also, but I studied it. I just learned transformer in high water plant. So I actually knew every practical part of transformer. So sir asked me ki, okay, tell me about transformer. So whatever I saw in transformer at high water plant, I just said it, yes, this. Or he was very impressed. Wow, you know this much about transformer. मैं बोला yes sir. फिर उन्होंने बोला फिर they said कि draw the 3D view of transformer. So I just told everything. So he was very impressed at that part. So I must say कि you just do your summer internships very nicely, okay, because you get practical knowledge there. So because bookish knowledge it doesn't matter in these kind of plant interviews. So this practical knowledge is very nice. I did my summer internship from nuclear power plant. So I must say whether you are a girl or a guy, it doesn't matter to you and it doesn't matter to anybody. You being a girl or guy, you should approach the employer because in plant nobody is that much free that they will come to you and they will teach you. So you need to go to them and I did the same when I was in heavy water plant nuclear under in Rajbhata. So I went to my teacher कि sir please मुझे this I want to know this transformer and I want to know this motor. So he told me everything. So this kind of practical knowledge I gained from that internship. At last I would say कि you just get the knowledge whether कहीं से भी तुम्हें knowledge मिल रहा है you just get it and this knowledge जो है वो तुम्हें कभी ना कभी किसी न किसी फॉर्म में कहीं ना कहीं जरूर काम आएगा. Or just take my example, I just studied transformer in high water plant and after that, yes, I must tell one thing. When I studied this transformer in high water plant, I did actually very serious training and after that we are having some criteria, some pointer is assigned to this industrial training and I just, my complete class got A plus and I got A. So on that, at that time I was like, क्यों मैंने इतना seriously किया फिर भी I just got A. And after that, when this PepsiCo came, and the complete knowledge of my high water plant I delivered, then I was selected, and it was really very tough competition because 8 guys were there, 8 बच्चे थे, उसमें से 4 girls and 4 guys, और like सब लोग इतने फोड़ू थे, और मेरी तो इंग्लिश भी बहुत वाहियात सबसे, but still I was selected just because of this कि knowledge कहीं भी सीखा और यहाँ पर काम आ गया.